Hello, let us read again our Pre-Finance 2 for Kids. This is another material, by the way. This is our nonfiction reader prepared by Teacher Sai. This is topic 6, Trade Helps Everyone. Let us read. People trade because nobody can make everything. Farmers grow food, bakers make bread, and factories produce toys and clothes. Trade allows people to share these products. Customers buy goods they need. Businesses sell products and earn money. Because of trade, families can enjoy many things without making them themselves. Trade also helps businesses grow. A bakery can sell bread to many customers. Farmers can sell vegetables to markets. Factories can sell products to stores. Countries trade with one another too. Some countries produce coffee, while others produce cars or computers. Trade helps people around the world enjoy products from different places. Trade is important because it helps people, businesses, and countries work together. Everyone benefits when goods and services are exchanged fairly. Let us go with our vocabulary. We have factory, place where things are made. Market, place where people buy and sell. Customer, person who buys something. Business, people that sells goods or services. Earn, get money from work. Produce, make something. Fairly, in an honest way. Share, give part to others. Exchange, give one thing for another. For the reading questions, vocabulary number 1. What does benefit mean? Number 2. What does fairly mean? Retrieval. Number 3. Who grows food? Number 4. What can factories produce? Number 5. What do businesses earn through trade? Inference. Number 6. Why can't people make everything themselves? 7. Why do countries trade? Critical thinking. Number 8. How would life change if people stopped trading? Let us go to the answer key. Vocabulary. Number 1. What does benefit mean? Answer. Something good you receive. Number 2. What does fairly mean? Answer. In an honest way. Retrieval. Number 3. Who grows food? Answer. Farmers grow food. Number 4. What can factories produce? Answer. They can produce toys and clothes. Number 5. What do businesses earn through trade? Answer. They earn money. Inference. Number 6. Why can't people make everything themselves? Answer. Because people have different skills and jobs. Number 7. Why do countries trade? Answer: to share products with one another. Critical thinking number 8. How would life change if people stopped trading? Answer: people would have fewer products and life would be more difficult. Answers may vary. That's it for our reading today. Let us see each other again on our next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.